Hi again, guys. I've got one more product I want to share with you this evening. This is something new to me. I'm not really one to get into the products with all the LED color changing stuff, but this one kind of got me curious when I seen it. So I just purchased this and I'm really kind of excited to install it, and I'm going to do that here in just a few minutes, but I thought I'd kind of just share with you guys. This one's a really good product, and if you're in the market to buy one of these, this one is really good. It's some good premium quality. This one's made by a company called Power Spa. It is 4 inches. It's a 4-inch all chrome face. Here you can see here, nice shiny chrome. And this is the LED handheld shower head with airjet LED turbo pressure boost nozzle technology. A lot of stuff to say there. But this is made with premium chrome. It has, the head has the color changing on it, and it changes 7 colors. And you can change the mode on the shower head. It's got 4 different settings. You can use this overhead. You can use it just your standard overhead, or of course it's the handheld. It's got a high-powered 3-zone dial. It's got your 5 foot of stainless steel hose. Good flexible hose here, 5 feet long. And of course it comes with your bracket here. There's that. And you've got a set of directions that comes in here, and this is really simple and easy to install. There's no tools needed. It says that you can install it in minutes, and I'll kind of show you here, kind of let you look over the installation thing here. Looks pretty simple. I hope it is. And it tells you what to do if you install it and it's kind of leaking somewhere. But it looks pretty easy. And again, this is by Power Spa, Air Turbo LED Hand Shower with Pressure Boost Technology. 4-inch shower head with the color changing LED head, 7 colors that change automatically, I think every few seconds, I believe I read. There are 4 water output settings, and you can use overhead just as your standard overhead shower or your handheld. Alright guys, there'll be a link at the end of this video, and if you like this product and you want to purchase it, just follow that link to Amazon and get that product ordered. Thank you guys.